Are you a woman over 40 like me and you feel like your metabolism has completely changed? Like fat loss is harder, your energy is lower, and what used to work just doesn't work anymore? I want you to hear this. Your metabolism is not broken, and your body isn't working against you necessarily, but it is asking for something different now. I've coached thousands of women through this exact season of our lives, and I can tell you with full confidence, there is a better way. A way to train smarter, eat with purpose, and finally feel like yourself again in your body and in your life. Let's talk about how to make your metabolism work for you, not against you. So why does your metabolism feel slower, and what's actually happening? As we hit our 40s and beyond, it's common to feel like everything just slows down. The truth is, your body is changing. Hormones are shifting. Muscle mass is naturally declining. But that doesn't mean you're doomed to store fat and feel tired forever. Your metabolism is highly adaptable. It responds to what you do consistently. So if you want to feel stronger, leaner, and more energized, we have to start with the foundation, and that is building muscle. Muscle is the key to a revved up metabolism. Muscle isn't just about looking tight and defined. It's a metabolic powerhouse. The more lean mass you have, the more calories your body burns, even while you're at rest. Here's what most women do wrong. They overdo cardio, and they skip the weight room altogether. But it's strength training that really keeps your metabolism truly active over 40 into our 50s and 60s. To train for a stronger metabolism, here's what I recommend. So first, focus on the weights. Include strength training 3 to 5 times a week, depending on your body's needs. Think big movements like squats, push-ups, rows, exercises that work multiple muscle groups together at once. Lift with purpose. You want to feel challenged by those last few reps. If it feels too easy, it's time to go heavier. But don't ignore your recovery. Rest is where your body rebuilds. That's where the change actually happens. And maybe, most importantly, stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect, but you need momentum. Eating less isn't the answer anymore. If you've spent years trying to shrink your body by eating less and less and less, you've probably hit that point where it just doesn't work anymore. Undereating slows your metabolism. It drains your energy. It causes your body to hold on to fat, not to burn it. So what does your body actually need? It needs fuel. Here's how I coach women to eat for fat loss and for metabolic health. We start by prioritizing protein at every meal. This is going to help preserve the muscle you have and keep you satisfied. Don't fear carbs. Quality carbs, fruit, oats, sweet potatoes. Those are things that are going to fuel your workouts and your life. Eat consistently throughout the day. No more skipping meals and no long stretches without food. Your metabolism thrives on steady, balanced intake. Hydrate like it matters, because, well, it does. Water supports everything from energy to our digestion. Let's fix our mindset around food and fat loss. You've likely been taught to label foods as good foods or bad foods, or to go to really extreme diet rules to see results. But those rules, they're outdated, and honestly, some are even harmful. What I teach instead is metabolic flexibility. It's the ability to use different fuel sources, proteins, carbs, fats, based on your body's needs at that time. That means more freedom, more energy, and better long-term results. Here's what the shift looks like. Stop chasing the quick fixes. Sustainable change takes time, but it does work when you're consistent about it. Learn to listen to your body. This is so important. Hunger, fullness, energy, cravings. These aren't signs of failure or weakness. They're our body's way of communicating with us. After years of dieting and following really rigid diet rules, it's easy to lose touch with those body signals. You might find yourself eating because of the time on the clock, even if you're not hungry, or skipping meals to be good. only later to end up ravenous and frustrated. The truth is, your body is incredibly wise. And when you learn how to interpret what it's telling you, you can finally move out of that cycle of restriction and into real balance. So where do we start? You want to start by paying attention. How do you feel before and after certain meals? Do your energy levels crash in the afternoon because you're underfueled early in the day? Are your cravings a sign of emotional stress, lack of sleep, or simply because your body needs more fuel and you're hungry? Tuning in like this takes practice, especially if you've spent years trying to override those cues, but it's worth it. When you rebuild that trust with your body, you can make food choices from a place of empowerment, not from one of guilt and confusion. This is where the long-term change begins. Finally, I want you to ditch the diet drama. You've spent enough time in this cycle of guilt and restriction, of starting over every Monday. It's exhausting, and it's not helping your metabolism or your mindset. Your body doesn't need punishment to change. It needs consistency, nourishment, and a little grace sometimes. When you shift from dieting to truly fueling your body, everything changes. You're no longer chasing extremes or fearing food. You're building habits that support strength, energy, and confidence. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being kind to your body and giving it what it needs to thrive. You don't have to do this alone. One of the biggest game changers I've seen for women in our 40s and 50s, having someone to guide you through this process, because it isn't about guessing. It's about having a plan that actually is going to work for your body, one that's customized for you, for your goals, and for your life. If you're tired of the trial and error, if you want to finally feel confident that you're training and eating in a way that supports your metabolism and your long-term health, that's exactly what I do through my online fitness and nutrition coaching for women. I'd love to help you. I'm going to show you how to build strength and muscle that will support your metabolism, how to fuel your body without dieting or feeling overly deprived, and how to stay consistent and make progress that you can actually maintain for the rest of your life. Because yes, your body has changed and continues to change, but that doesn't mean you can't feel amazing in it again. You just need the right strategy and someone in your corner who truly understands what works for women in this season of our lives. If that sounds like something you've been missing, I'd love to talk to you more about my coaching. Check out the description below and you can learn more and email me and we'll see if it's a good fit. In the meantime, remember, your metabolism isn't the enemy, it's your ally, once you know how to work with it.